12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
Our next lot is lot 292. It's a Haas VF-2, year 2009. We'll go ahead and cycle it and let you see everything in action. Automatic tool changer. Increase spindle speed to 10,000 RPM. You can see it's a great running machine. 20 horsepower, 10,000 RPM, 1,000 inch per minute, real quick. Lot 292 is a Haas VF2. Hopefully it's the one for you. Good luck, happy bidding. Hope you get a great deal.
95, you're at 9, don't raise your own bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95, got it. Now 10,000, 10 to the mid, now 10,000, give me 10. Now 10,500, 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500, 10 to the mid, now 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500, 10,500 to the mid, now 10,500, 10,500 to the mid, now